to capture this moment in time whereby me and my wife, we start a new venture. So let's take a look. Assalamualaikum, jumpa lagi di Frugal. Okay, hello guys, how you doing today? So today's video is, I want to document today. Actually it's 2 days ago, 4th of June. Me and my wife, it's actually my wife's birthday. We'll go in and meet her soon. Wish her birthday, okay? Alright, and on her birthday we officially open our new shop selling frozen items. But as you can see from the shop here, we are still waiting for our decals, our shop design banner will be coming in on Tuesday. But then the shop is already open, operational right now. You guys can come in. So let's show you where this place is. Okay, as you can see, right opposite of our shop is Mercedes Benz. Beside it is just BMW PML. You go down the road there. So this is actually Alexandra Road. IKEA is on the left side, and on the right side is Queensway Shopping Center. So this is Alexis Condo, and Alexis Condo first floor is actually all shops. So we have a cafe, restaurant, a gym, taekwondo class, and our shop is right there, unit number 0109. The coolest part of this place is, look at this, it's a drive-through concept. Hello Bri. Okay, drive-through. So we also have store pickup, curbside pickup, whereby you just pass by here, don't need to park. We will come out and deliver your goods right about here, and then you can just drive out and proceed home. So let's say you work around here, you can just give us a call or online service, and then you inform us what time you can come and pick it up. We'll get the stuff ready. When you're 5 minutes away, give us a buzz, and we are ready for you just to deliver by hand. Thank you and have a nice day. Alright, so come, let's go inside. So it's supposed to have a banner of our shop name BEKU here, and there will be a store sticker here. The surprise will come on this coming Tuesday. So okay, we are open. So phase 2 daily till 8 PM, safe entry using trace together. Okay, come, let's come inside. Assalamualaikum. Okay guys, this is my wife. Happy birthday. So actually this is some sort of like her birthday gift, because she's always wanted a shop. Yeah, this is another thing. This is taking temperature. Let's try this. Alright, temperature normal, cool. Alright, it's a very small shop. We have 2 island freezers here, selling all kinds of frozen food like beef ball, fish ball, cuttlefish ball, hot dogs, kerupuk leko, we have otak, and then we have food from Premier like the meat wings and popcorn chicken, nugget, yakitori chicken sticks, the katsus. We also have parus and satay goreng, even lamb stick. So on the opposite side is the upright freezers where we bring in Tisha's products. We also bring in mango ice cream. So there are more products coming in. So we are only operational like 3 days now. This is the sauce for kerupuk leko, and we also bring in teh botol, different flavors of teh botol. So it's just a small shop. Our counter there. My wife manning this shop. Maybe this one I just show you. This is a special room that I get the ID to do for me. Besides, there's an extra freezer for storage of extra stuff. So we have actually a bilik musola, just a small one for one person, and you can wuduk there. Especially ordered the big sink. It's like my knee level. Wuduk your legs so you can reach every pot. Yeah, the shop is just about that. It's a very small, I think 20 square meter. Okay, so this coming Tuesday we'll be waiting for the stickers out here so that people can see from the road. It's very striking, very nice. So probably that will be in the next video. Oh, this one. Thank you to my interior designer Rizal for giving us a free gift. It's a Tefal air purifier. Oh yeah, I didn't mention this. This is so cute. My mom-in-law bought for us. This is for the shoppers here. If you want to shop, you just bring and put it in the basket, and you can make your payment here. We are using a POS system, very well integrated POS system that can actually monitor your data analytics. Alright, let's see what else that I need to tell you about. Okay, like I said, it's our new business venture. I'm hoping for something great to happen in the future. It has already been in the plans, but that is after a long while that Frugal didn't save up some money, and this is the last thing that I'm going to try is to go into business in the hope that I don't need to work for anyone else, but to work for my own. Okay, and I will type out here the address of the shop so you guys know where my shop is. If you guys have the time, you want to come and visit, do by all means come down and visit and have a look. We have lots in store for you. Hopefully there are things that you might need from this store. Okay, I think that's about it. Maybe it's just I think what, around 10 to 15 minutes video. I don't want to drag it so long. Just to capture the date. This weekend is our opening, and yeah, that's all. I think we'll see you next week when I can show you the front page of this shop with the full decal. It's in blue actually. Alright, that's all for today. Assalamualaikum, and see you again next week inshallah. Assalamualaikum.